5 killer exercises that burn fat crazy fast. You've seen it. People stuck on treadmills forever, sweating buckets, grimacing just to lose weight. But here's the secret no one tells you. You don't have to suffer through endless cardio to burn fat. Science proves it. There are smarter, faster ways to get lean, and they work better than boring cardio. The trick? These exercises don't just burn calories while you do them, they keep your body burning fat for hours after, thanks to the afterburn effect. Want real fat loss in less time? You're in the right place. And whatever you do, don't skip exercise number 2. It's the most powerful one here. Exercise number 5. Kettlebell swings. If you're only using kettlebells for curls or presses, you're missing out on a serious fat-burning hack. The kettlebell swing looks simple, but it's a full-body power move that fires up your metabolism like a furnace. You're not just working your legs. You hit your glutes, hamstrings, core, shoulders, back, and grip all at once. That's why it burns so many calories. Studies show just 10 minutes can torch up to 200 calories, depending on intensity. The best part? It triggers the afterburn effect, meaning you keep burning calories for hours after you stop. How to do it right? Stand feet slightly wider than shoulders. Hinge at hips, pushing your butt back like closing a car door. Grab the kettlebell with both hands. Drive hips forward explosively. Don't pull with your arms. Let the kettlebell swing to shoulder height, then back down. Repeat. Hip snap, swing, reset. Avoid rounding your back. Injury risk. Pulling with arms. Power is from hips. Shoulders shrugging up. Keep relaxed. How to start? Beginners. 3 sets of 15 reps, 45 seconds rest. Build to 5 sets of 20 reps. Start with moderate weight, 18 to 26 labs women, 35 to 44 labs men. Increase as you get stronger. No need for hours of cardio. Just 10 minutes of swings keeps your metabolism fired all day. Exercise number 4, jump rope. Think jump rope is just a kid's playground game? Think again. This old-school move is a total fat-blasting beast that'll torch calories and boost your heart like crazy. Way more efficient than jogging for half an hour. In fact, just 10 minutes of jumping rope can burn as many calories as running for 30 minutes. No wonder boxers swear by it. What makes it so killer? Jump rope works your entire body non-stop. Your arms spin the rope. Your shoulders stay engaged, your core keeps you balanced, and your legs are constantly jumping. Plus, keeping that rhythm forces your heart to work over time. Studies show you can burn about 10 calories per minute jumping rope. That's up to 1,000 calories if you could keep it going for an hour. But who can, right? Even just 15 to 20 minutes already blasts a ton of calories. Bonus? Jump rope sharpens your brain too. It improves coordination and focus because you have to stay on your toes, literally, to avoid tripping. That's why elite athletes and soldiers use it in their training. How to jump rope like a pro. Keep your jumps low, just enough to clear the rope, about 1 inch off the ground. Don't bounce too high or bend your knees too much. It wastes energy and pounds your joints. For beginners, start with 3 sets of 1 minute. Resting 30 to 60 seconds between rounds. Work up to 3 sets of 5 minutes as you get better. If continuous jumping feels tough, try intervals. Jump for 20 seconds, rest 10, and repeat for a few minutes. Simple, fun, and brutal on fat. That's jump rope for you. Exercise number 3, burpees. If there's one move that makes gyms groan, it's the burpee. This brutal combo of a squat, push-up, and jump is basically a fat-burning beast wrapped in a full-body workout. Burpees hit almost every muscle, legs, core, chest, shoulders, arms, all in one go. That's why they burn calories like crazy, even more than running sometimes. Research shows that someone weighing around 175 pounds can torch about 10 calories per minute doing burpees at a steady pace. Push harder? Double that. You get the insane cardio benefits plus strength gains all in one. Plus, burpees supercharge your metabolism for up to 48 hours after you finish. Hello, afterburn effect. How to crush a perfect burpee. Start standing, feet shoulder width apart. Drop into a full squat. Place your hands on the floor. Kick your feet back into a plank and do a full push-up. Jump your feet back to your hands. Explode up into a jump, reaching your arms overhead. Keep the flow going. No shortcuts. Skipping the push-up or jump kills the burn. Beginners, start with 3 sets of 5 to 8 reps, resting 60 to 90 seconds between sets. Build up to 4 to 5 sets of 12 to 15 reps as you get stronger. Heads up, burpees are high impact. If your knees or shoulders protest, try modified versions. Ditch the jump or swap the push-up for a floor tap. Still tough, but kinder on your joints. Ready for a workout that challenges your entire body and torches fat? Burpees have got you covered. Exercise number 2, battle ropes. If you think battle ropes are just for show, think again. These thick, heavy ropes aren't just gym decoration. They're calorie-torching powerhouses. Swinging those ropes up and down or whipping them side to side looks intense because it is intense. You're mixing hardcore resistance with cardio, hitting your arms, shoulders, back, and core all at once. Studies show that 10 minutes of battle rope work can burn up to 300 calories, depending on how hard you go and the rope's weight. And because it's a full body blast, your heart rate stays sky high. The secret sauce? Short bursts of maximum effort. Try this: 30 seconds all out, then 30 seconds rest. Repeat for 5 to 10 rounds. As you get fitter, crank up the work time or cut down the breaks to push your limits even more. If your gym has battle ropes, grab them. This exercise not only melts fat, but builds serious upper body strength and endurance. Ready to whip your workout into shape? Battle ropes are your new best friend. Exercise number 1, weighted walking. Think walking can't burn serious calories? Add some weight and you'll change your mind fast. Grab a backpack, toss in some weight, about 10 to 15% of your body weight, and hit the pavement. Suddenly, your regular walk turns into a fat-burning, muscle-building session. Why? Because carrying extra weight forces your body to work harder just to stay balanced and move forward. Your heart beats faster, your lungs work harder, and your muscles get a serious challenge. Studies show adding weight to your walk can boost calorie burn by up to 50%. For example, a 154-pound person walking an hour might burn around 280 calories. Add a 22-pound backpack. That jumps to about 420 calories for the same walk. Plus, weighted walking strengthens your core, back, hips, and legs, making everyday activities easier and boosting overall endurance. It's low impact too, so your joints get a break compared to running or jumping. Just don't overload yourself right away. Start light, focus on good posture, no leaning forward, and gradually add weight as you get stronger. Aim for 30 to 60 minutes, 2 or 3 times a week, and mix it up. Try hills, stairs, or faster paces to keep it interesting and challenging. Easy to fit into your day. Weighted walking is a surprisingly powerful way to burn fat and get stronger without killing your joints. There you have it. 5 killer exercises that torch fat faster than endless cardio. From weighted walks to battle ropes, these moves boost your metabolism and keep the burn going long after you're done. Remember, it's not about sweating for hours. It's about working smart and hard. Mix these into your routine, eat right, and watch the fat melt away. Ready to level up? Hit subscribe for more science-backed tips that actually work. Let's get it.